Hey guys, it's Tom Neals with Keller Williams Platinum Partners on another edition of Food for Thought Friday. Yesterday we got hammered with rain, 7 inches to be exact. And if you're like me, you got water in your basement. So what I decided to do was install a sump pump. Probably got about 2 or 3 videos here. I'll show you step by step how I did it, and hopefully it works for you. I've created a little cocoon here. I have plastic that's wrapped all the way around. I had to use a shop vac to keep the dust down as water is all over. It was helping keeping the dust down, but at the same time too, I didn't want everything to go all over the place. So, created a cocoon, saw cut and everything. Now I got the big hammer to bring out the guns. So here we go. We're gonna bust out our spot so we can get our sump pump recessed in. And yes, it's gonna take some noise. Ear protection, eye protections is must, and get after it. All right, now we've got the hole all jackhammered out. You can see that there is standing water. The water underneath the slab is pressurizing and actually coming up through the cracks. A lot of times it will come up in the corners there. You have the slab that meets the wall, 2 different pores, and therefore there'll be a hairline crack right there. Water will go to the least resistance, and it always goes up cracks, always goes up the corners. That's why we get water in our basement. But as you can see, there is water pressurizing underneath this slab. So now we need to install the sump pump. Start digging the gravel out, and it looks like it's about 3 feet deep, so we start digging. I'll report back here short enough. Thanks.